It's us.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Millie. Today's video is a little bit different and fun and exciting. I'm getting ready with my girls. We're about to head out and I decided, why don't you all show up? Come to my house, don't do makeup. You can dress up, come and get your makeup done and we'll have some shots, wine, champagne, and then we'll go out. And so they all came over. Shirley is the first person that showed up. So yes, hi, say hi to the early queen, Shirley. So she was here early. So we started doing her hair. Yes, she came not ready. When I say don't come ready, she came not ready. So she came with her hair not done. She brought her wig. So I'm about to do a wig install for her. And we're going to do her makeup. It is so exciting. I love doing makeup for people because I like to see the reaction after. And yeah, it's so fulfilling. So yeah, let's get right into it. So we're doing the hair and we're going to be styling it. I think I'm going to do like a bun at the back and maybe some curls in the front. So yeah, let's get right into it.
I like the way your body's moving closer. Just to the beat until the night is over. Take it all. Like you said, make your phone so everything's begin. My mama always told me nothing's so free. She's got good and
So guys, I lost the footage of me doing the makeup, but this is how it turned out. She looks amazing. I still need to do her lips and blush and all of that, but this is how she looks so far. I hope you like it. Yeah, she's excited. Did you hear the hey? Yeah, she loves it. So yeah, I have the next one coming. They should be here shortly, so let's wait for them. Right now, I have Leah in my seat, the CEO of Mercy Cookware. So I already did her makeup and now I'm styling her hair. Yes, I lost the footage of me doing her makeup, but I already did the makeup. You saw her when she came in, she had the short hair, but this is her now and her hair is being styled. She looks amazing. I still need to do her lips, but everything else is done and she's glowing. I love it. And yeah, so far I did, for that day, I did 4 ladies makeup and I did 2 hair. The other 2, they already had their hair in, so I didn't need to style it. So I did Stephanie and I did Linda. Linda came in, she had a little bit of makeup, she was already dressed, but I wanted to top up and kind of contour and give her a little bit, yeah. So I did her makeup as well. So you'll see it in the video. Stephanie, I didn't get her in my seat in a footage, but you'll see her later on in the video. She has curly hair. Yeah, so this is what we did. So stay tuned and enjoy the full video.
I like the way your body's moving closer. Just to the beat until the night is over. Take it all.
I look too short.
And now you have to take a few shots.
Please,
Yes.
you need to do two.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, take a shot.
Nana, you need to take. Wow.
You guys took shots?
Nana, you look good.
They took shots without me. Thank you, girl.
These cameras are so rude.
So rude. Mine, I'm not even gonna.
Well, come on, it's recording, right?
Yeah.
Auntie Linda, come say hello to the camera. That's Auntie Linda. I come tonight. That's Auntie.
Cereal.
I should have said, hi, I'm the bride.
Yes, I'm not the bride.
Hi, I'm the bride.
Oh, yes, I'm not the bride. I'm the maid of honor. Yes. I'm not the bride. That's actually good content for you.
Yeah. I'm not the bride. I'm the maid of honor.
And makeup artist.
I'm not the bride. I'm the maid of honor and the makeup artist.
I'm not the bride, I'm the mother of the groom.
I'm not the bride, I'm the bridesmaid.
Alright, I still have to remove this, but you know, this is the whole look. And so we'll see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you. And thanks for watching.
Right? Let's say. 2 minutes. Okay. Why?